Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen. In the goddamn refrigerator. Eating up all the chicken. All the hog mugs. All the cereal. I want some chicken. I want some hog mugs. I really don't understand why I'm this way. Why I self-sabotage so fucking much. It's utterly annoying. And for me, only the motherfucking strong survive. I don't understand how they survived at this point. Like, I wouldn't have wanted to put up with this shit neither. The fuck? But in a way, it's also like, I would have put up with some shit for some people because that's how attracted I was to them. And that's okay. But it's also like, why am I this way? I just want a secure attachment style. What the fuck? And now it's too late to fix. Damn. Here we go again. Oops, I did it again. I fumbled the bag. I wanna be where the niggas are. The niggas that are obsessed with me. The niggas, I'm okay with just one being obsessed with me. That I am equally obsessed with. Cause if a motherfucker is obsessed with you and you don't want them, that shit don't sound fun at fucking all. I'm ready to be booed up. I want to be in the fucking bed with your arms around my motherfucking neck. I like that possessive shit. I want to be possessed. I want to be controlled. When I want you to. When I let you. But seriously, I mean, I'm real. I'm not gonna say I'm sad because I'm gonna make myself motherfucking happy. Hey ho. I wanna be where the niggas are. But no, for real, not me really Googling how to hypnotize myself so I can forget a motherfucker, because like seriously, it be on my mind all the fucking time and I don't like that shit. He said no, so let him go. Why in the world can I possess so many fucking powers as a human and I control my emotions and all of this other shit? I can think myself happy, but I can't forget what I want to forget. I can't stop thinking about shit that I don't want to fucking think about. What kind of fucking shit is that? I like control, but I can't even control my own self. What the fuck? Earth is ghetto. I'm ready. Earth is ghetto. Earth is ghetto. It's just crazy. Like seriously, you can't forget traumatizing shit or shit you don't want to fucking think about. If you possess that power, please give it to me. Please give it to me. Because for real, I want to be a patient motherfucker, but I'm not, and I overreact. And niggas think I'm retarded. I'm starting to feel the same way. I just want to be better. I to stop living at the mercy of my fucking triggers. I don't know how the fuck to get through this shit, but I need to get through this shit. Cause, I'm ready to stop living at the mercy of my fucking triggers. I'm ready to have healthy relationships. Without being fucking scared and overwhelmed and anxious all the fucking time. You know, just secure. Secure! Secure. Fucking secure. That's it. Just secure. I would like to be fucking secure. Can you tell me how to be more secure? How do you move to a secure attachment style? I actually done gave all these people all this fucking information, but I have not given them information on how to fucking get better. Oh, go meditate. Helpful. But I'm telling the world how to heal, and I can't even heal myself. I'm not even healing myself. So what do I need to do to get in secure attachment style? Acting like the shit is not bothering me is not working. And then overreacting is not working either. People don't want to deal with my shit. Rightfully so. But I would like it off my mind. I just want to learn the lesson and move the fuck on. I want to stop doing the same shit. Move my lesson, learn my lesson, and move the fuck on. Move the fuck on. Move the fuck on.